Welcome back. I'm carrying on with the alignment of this little Roberts R727. I've done the first part, the IF, medium wave and long wave. I'm now on shortwave. I don't know if you can actually see the scope, but basically I'm connected up with my oscilloscope, connected to one of the resistors as a test point, and my signal generator is into basically the external antenna socket. Oh, it says as it falls off. So what I'm doing is, what I hope I'm doing is just bringing the station with the frequency into line on the band. So I've got the radio tuned to 3.2 on the scale, pretty much bang on. It does say the end of the scale, but to me 3.2 is bang in the middle of where it says 3.2, logically. Let's see if I can get you in on the scope. I'm not sure how well you're going to see this. Let's see if I turn the light off, you might see it a bit better. Okay, that's a little bit better, not perfect, but the idea is to bring the signal actually in to where it should be on the scale. And I'm using some little ceramic screwdrivers on the adjuster. It's just a case of there we are. So maximum amplitude. So there we are, bang on 3.2. I think it says end of the scale, but it says LF end. It doesn't say a specific tune to signal, so what I might do is just tweak it to be on the end. There, that's right on the very end of the scale now, 3.2 megahertz. So now I've got to tune to 7.4, which is right at the other end. So adjust my signal generator 7.4 megahertz. Oh, it doesn't like that. That's because I'm on dBm. Fool. So we need minus 8 dBm. Frequency 7.4 megahertz. So now we go over to the other end of the scale. So I'm right over the far end. The signal should be there, but it is nowhere. Well, that's it there, I think. That's the station. Yeah, that's a signal. Way off. It's down on 6.5 megahertz. So I'm going to tune what have I got to adjust for that? C29. Scary little capacitors, some of these. You can't see if I turn that on. So C29 is that one down there. Right, so let's find the signal. Okay, that's where it is. Let's use a ceramic screwdriver on that one as well. Very touchy, this one. There he is. So if I go clockwise, sort of way. Hopefully my head's not in the way. And there's our signal. Let's clear the way, so. It's quite a way out, this one. Okay, that's a little bit better trace now. I'll put the power down a bit, I think it was overloading it. Pardon me. So if I tune to the band end, there he is. Whoa, what a faff. Right. Right, 4 megahertz and L4. Just that one there. So let's pop in 4 megahertz. Should be around there somewhere. Touchy. Come on. Right, now L4 is L4 has got some wax in it. So I wonder if I could turn it. It's pretty hot today. Okay, well L4 is moving now. Ceramic in it says. Looks like that was already peaked. Now it says I've got to repeat steps 12 to 14 again. There he is. and then just to double check, 7.4 megahertz. Up the far end. There we are. Got there in the end. Oh dear. There's a signal. There we go. And tweak. 04. I don't think I'm going to get it better than that, to be honest. Give it a final go. That'll do it. God, dear me. That's just shortwave 1. Now we've got shortwave 2. So 5.9 megahertz. 5.9 megahertz, low frequency end. Ooh, he's actually not far off that one. L10 maximum output. The only thing I'm not going to touch on this one is the aerial coils because they're well waxed in. I really don't think I'm going to get a lot more out of those. L10. Come on, give me my screwdriver back. Well, that's brought that up. It's very slightly off, not a lot though. 18.5 megahertz. I don't think we're going to get that better. He's actually is bang on there. And 7 megahertz. Tune to I'll find the signal. So it should be just back here. So, what have we got to do with that then? L3. I brought it up a little bit. Whew. That's it then, aligned. I'm not in the FM because they want an S-curve and I can't get my kit to hook up to do an S-curve for some reason. It's for FM IF. Right. time to get it back in its case for a test.